It's time to enjoy your favorite dose of Bollywood gossip on Hot Wire. You may have seen Ranveer Singh dance and entertain audience with his antics quite often, but we will show you his hidden talent. Check the sporty side of the live wire. Now we know what keeps his energy high. Fans को impress करने का ये new style surely did the trick for the girls around.
जिसको ये समझ आया वो तो ताली बजाए ही बजाए.
Ranbir Kapoor is going all out to promote his movie Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, so much that the actor doesn't mind going solo with promotions. At a recent promotional event for the movie, look at the fanfare at the event with Ranbir's arrival. Now we know what fan loyalty is. We hope Ranbir को इससे कुछ confidence boost मिला होगा. No Ranbir?
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, like look at this. I haven't seen a party like this.
Just when we started believing Kangana and Hrithik are over their controversial relationship, hang on, they aren't. Listen to the latest.
I want to know why can't Indian men stand up for themselves? He's a 43-year-old son. Why his father has to come for his rescue always? No, for how long father? They will keep hiding behind their influential big names father. He's an adult. He can pretty much handle his own controversies in show business. It's just a simple controversy. Why daddies have to always save their sons? I don't understand this.
Heard that? Now we know why love stories in Bollywood remain complicated. No, Hrithik?
बिल्कुल नहीं. अपने घर में खुश हूँ मैं.
Salman Khan का controversial statements देना isn't a new thing, but this time he has a strong critic. While most of Bollywood chooses to remain silent against Salman, Nana Patekar has gone vocal about his views on Salman's comments on Pakistani artists.
मुझे लगता है पाकिस्तानी कलाकार ये बाद में पहले मेरा देश के अलावा मैं किसी को जानता नहीं और ना तो मैं जानना चाहूंगा. ये हमारे जो जवान हैं इनसे बड़े कोई हीरो हो ही नहीं सकते दुनिया में. तो हम जो भी बोलते हैं ना उस पर ध्यान मत दो. तुम्हें समझ में आया मैं किनके बारे में बोल रहा हूँ? तो उन्हीं के बारे में मैं बोल रहा हूँ. हम जो पटर करते हैं उसके ऊपर ध्यान मत दो. इतनी अहमियत मत देना.
We wonder if Salman will apologize this time. Tiger Shroff has found a way to beat the Monday blues. No, there isn't any technique to this. The actor has shared the first look of his movie Munna Michael with fans. And going by the poster, we know Tiger is all set to impress us with the Michael Jackson moves. वैसे ठीक भी है, अपनी dancer image को promote करना is much better than promoting yourself as a tough guy with the cute looks.
You know, I'm trying to show a growth in my performances.
Can you believe after Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, who has been immortalized? Sonu Sood. Yes, we know you wouldn't believe us. Look at the latest stunt. Sonu Sood का wax statue create किया गया. But let's get a little realistic. This isn't for Madame Tussauds Museum, but for a museum in Mumbai. Going by this, we think Sonu's movie DVDs also can be a part of the museum. At least people will know who he is when they see his statue in the museum.
मैं एक्साइटमेंट से ज़्यादा एम्बेरस था. मैं सुनील जी को बोला अभी मैं आई डोंट नो मैं अभी शायद डिजर्व नहीं करता. अभी बहुत ज़िंदगी का सफ़र बाकी है.
Ranveer Singh and Vaani Kapoor are soon going to create history in Bollywood. You know how? By releasing the trailer of their upcoming romantic movie Befikrel, the Eiffel Tower in Paris. We hope their budgets are recovered by the movie's box office collections. What's your Ranveer?
अब ऑडियंस को पिक्चर दिखाना है.
You guys must be wondering what makes Harshvardhan Kapoor and Deepika Padukone a part of the Mutual Admiration Society on social media. We'll tell you. Apparently, the two are in talks to team up for a film similar to Badlapur. While Deepika is the lead in this female-centric thriller, Harshvardhan also has a pivotal part. Now we know what makes the two actors fond of each other. After all, self-promotion is important in Bollywood.
No, not at all. It's not something that I've ever thought of.
Hot Wire will be back with the latest updates on your favorite stars and movies soon again.